Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist Rusty McCranie, and welcome to Weather Express. Your weather in 5 minutes. Start the clock. Friends, we have a complex, dangerous storm system developing from the Great Lakes all the way into the southern plains, with all modes of severe weather likely in the central United States through Easter Sunday. Let's take a look at it. Cold front again, diving all the way into the panhandle of Texas. Several areas of low pressure, and storms will begin to develop here as we get deeper into the day along and east of that cold front. I mean, look at the temperatures, the warm, moisture-laden air funneling into the warm sector of the storm system. Temperatures even into the eastern sides of Iowa and northern Illinois are in the upper 70s. Contrast that behind the cold front where temperatures are plunging right now through the plains. There have been extremely heavy snowfall for portions of Wyoming and Colorado. This is a very strong area of low pressure in southern Colorado, and there's a lot of wind energy. I mean, we're talking about some big time impacts here through all of those areas, but obviously it's a severe weather threat that will garner the most attention. Now, at this point in time, we've just had a few severe thunderstorm warnings for the southern sides of Wisconsin. Nothing has really ramped up as of yet here, but again, along this front, there's just a lot of moisture to come into play, and we're going to start to see more severe weather break out. No current watches as well as the recording of this video, but the risk from the SPC for today is a slight risk, a 2 out of 5 on the scale, but it goes from southern sides of Lake Michigan all the way towards Abilene, Texas. So Wichita Falls, Oklahoma City, Springfield, St. Louis, Chicagoland area, Indianapolis, all included within this slight risk. And this severe weather risk will be sitting in this area over the next couple of days. Take a look at the wind gusts associated with this front and that area of low pressure behind it. So now you still have some 50+ mile-an-hour wind gusts at the hour in portions of New Mexico, and the snow is flying farther to the north. Now, we've had some significant snowfall totals, as I mentioned, in Wyoming. It's really beginning to pick up across the Denver area and just south of there towards Colorado Springs and the Pueblo area. As a matter of fact, when I bring on the local storm reports, you can see all of these snow reports here. But if I pause this and I show you guys the report here out of right here, I wanted to show you this one just south of Casper, Wyoming, 17.5 inches of snow. Okay, a lot of the snowfall totals in the Colorado area right now aren't that significant, but we could get up to 18 inches of snow in some of those areas as well. In the Northeast right now, we'll obviously be tracking the storms that will be moving in. We've had some rain in a few storms, and temperatures way above average today for New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, back towards Massachusetts, Hartford, Connecticut as well. Another gorgeous dry day in the Southeast. We'll be keeping an eye on those storms to the north and to the west, but overall we're looking good. We have our Intermountain West storm system, but the Pacific coast is absolutely gorgeous for today with temperatures that are mainly in the 60s and 70s. Those are your winter storm warnings in pink. The purple are winter weather advisories. Flood watch is also in effect. That's going to be the other big problem. We could have some excessive rainfall from Oklahoma City to Tulsa back to the I-70 corridor of Missouri. We'll look into some of the totals, but again, they could be quite prominent, and it's these areas that might be sitting with a lot of rainfall, not just today, but through Easter Sunday. So again, this low deepens over the four corners and ejects out all of this energy through the southern plains and into the Midwest. And again, all modes of severe weather are likely, and unfortunately, the severe weather threat is only going to ramp up into Easter Sunday. So let's break it down. The remainder of today, again, storms firing late tonight and overnight into the beginning of the weekend. The snow really flies in Colorado, where again, they could get a foot to 18 inches. Then we'll start to see the storms re-energize on Saturday, and for Easter Sunday, look at the storms begin to blossom early in places like northern Texas and Oklahoma, and then just follow that cold front line right up through Missouri and portions of Iowa. These are the areas with the best chance for severe storms over the Easter weekend. Some additional snow could be in Big Sky Country and a few scattered showers over the Northeast. Not completely dry there. We'll get a little bit of rain to the Ohio Valley. But looking at the severe weather threat, for tomorrow, it actually sinks farther south. It does include places like Dallas, Oklahoma City for the slight risk of severe storms. Still a 2 out of 5 on the scale, but Easter Sunday itself, look at the bullseye in Missouri, across I-70, just east of Kansas City, just west of St. Louis, sneaking into portions of Illinois, places like Jefferson City, Columbia, Missouri, included in this 3 out of 5 risk from the Storm Prediction Center, where we could get some larger long track tornadoes 2 to 3 inch size hail and over 70 mile-an-hour winds. Taking a look at the snowfall total, or the rainfall totals first, let's do that. Look at these areas here in these purples and pinks. 5, 6+ inches of rain. Oklahoma, Missouri, northwest sides of Arkansas. Those are the areas that could see significant flooding. Look at the snowfall totals here in Colorado, guys. You see these reds? Look at these numbers on my map for us here. Let me bring those up for you real quick. Again, over a foot of snow in a lot of areas just west of I-35. How impressive is this storm system overall to produce that kind of severe weather and snow at the same time? As you can see, I am way out of time. I appreciate you making Weather Express a part of your daily routine. Thank you for liking and subscribing to the video and the channel. Guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'm back tomorrow with your latest 5-minute forecast.